Gardens by the Bay is one of those places that truly makes you feel like you've stepped into the pages of a storybook. Only this one's packed with real plants, glowing trees, and if you're lucky like us, maybe even some Pokémon too. The Super Tree Grove is one of the most iconic spots in Singapore, and it really blew our kids' minds. Right here is where 12 of the 18 super trees rise up around you in all their glory. These towering structures are up to 50 metres tall, and they made our little monkeys look even littler. You can walk around at the base or even take the OCBC Skyway up above if you're game for a bird's eye view. We visited during the day, and this whole area lights up at night for an amazing show called Garden Rhapsody. They're amazing to see during the day, but just wait until nightfall. Every night, the trees come alive with the Garden Rhapsody light and music show. This dazzling light and music display transforms the Super Tree Grove into something truly magical. The show happens twice each night and it's completely free, making it a beautiful way to wrap up your day. Even if you're not right beneath the super trees, you can still catch glimpses of the show from other parts of the city, like Marina Bay Sands or even the Singapore Flyer. But honestly, nothing beats standing right there in the middle of it all. It's an experience that your whole family will remember. Maybe you're feeling adventurous. You can take to the skies with the OCBC Skyway, a 128 metre long aerial walkway suspended 22 metres above the ground. It's an epic way to see the super trees from above and grab that perfect postcard picture of the gardens and Marina Bay below. On top of the tallest super tree is the Super Tree Observatory. We didn't make it up there this time, but it's on our list for next time. From what we've heard, the views are unreal, and there's a cafe plus an interactive experience for the kids. If you want to see the gardens from their highest point, this is the place to go. Gardens by the Bay isn't just about outdoor gardens. Two of the biggest paid attractions are the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. The Cloud Forest is famous for its indoor waterfall and misty mountain walkways, and the Flower Dome showcases plants from all over the world, including seasonal displays that are always changing. If you're visiting, you can buy tickets for these in advance or on the day. They're a great option if you're looking to beat the heat or add a little wow factor to your trip. When we visited, the gardens were bursting with colour thanks to a Pokémon themed display. The kids were stoked to spot Pikachu and friends hidden amongst the gardens. It's always worth checking ahead to see if a special theme or event is on. It makes the whole experience even more magical, especially for the kids. Now, this park completely caught us by surprise. We did not come prepared for water play, but that didn't stop us. Nope. We ended up in the splash park, fully clothed and totally soaked, but it was honestly one of the best moments of our trip. So, bring your bathers or just embrace the chaos just like we did. And it's not just water fun. There are playgrounds scattered around the gardens, including nature-based zones and sensory areas that are perfect for kids of all ages to burn off some energy while parents take in the beautiful views. You could easily spend half a day here or even longer, depending on what you choose to do. Some areas are free, others are ticketed, but there's food, shade, gardens, and plenty of space for kids to explore. Gardens by the Bay is one of those places where there's something for everyone. Whether you're chasing an epic view, a little splash zone chaos, or just some quiet time surrounded by nature, this is a must visit in Singapore. If you'd like to know more details about planning your visit, feel free to head to our blog page at Cheeky Monkey Travel Adventures and check out our full in-depth review of Gardens by the Bay.